9th Asian Food and Restaurant Awards 2024 Gala Dinner was organized by Samara Production on Monday, 2nd of December in Royal ASCOT. Congratulations to Spice Village Tooting Grand Sapphire, London for winning the Best Restaurant of the Year award in Asian food, which has highlighted Pakistani community in Toronto, GTA Desi Food Hub. Indian restaurant 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗀 won Best Family Restaurant and various restaurants won recognition awards throughout the evening. Late Zahir life achievement was celebrated and remarkable work he had done for one of the large Asian restaurant, 𝗟𝗏𝘃𝗀, which brought tears in everyone's eyes. 4-course meal was served throughout the evening and the guests enjoyed the dinner. Dance, music, entertainment, alongside seeing restaurants owner winning the achievement awards. 𝗟𝗃𝗀 was one of the main sponsors of the event, and 𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗀 represented 𝗟𝗃𝗀 by congratulating and interviewing the proud winners. The aim of these curry awards was to commemorate the rich taste of South Asian cuisines and to reward the culinary artisans in the field with due recognitions and encouragement.
Hi, I'm 𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗀. I am here from Zee89 TV. I'm attending the 9th Asian Curry Awards in ASCOT, and we're here for the 9th Asian Food and Restaurant Award, which has been organized by Samara, and we have a proud winner. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. What would you like to say about tonight's victory?
Oh, it's been really great. I mean, it's a pleasant surprise. It wasn't expected, and suddenly you get an award on 9 cloud. Very good.
Why do you think you won the award?
I think they looked at my overall career, what I've been doing it, and they looked at the kind of aspects of my life where people follow me and they see that I'm successful and they could learn things from me, and that's why probably they gave it to me.
Wow, what an inspirational guy. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing the kind words with us, and enjoy your victory. Thank you.
So
and
much.
we have the proud winners here. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm really well, thank you. Are you enjoying the evening?
I am very much.
What is the highlight?
So the highlight is me being here with my beautiful husband.
Oh, wow.
People appreciate their wives, but I appreciate my husband. He's amazing.
But are you holding something in your hands?
Yes, I
Being
am.
very humble. Tell us about this.
So obviously I'm here today winning this award because I've worked really extremely hard, and obviously everybody says behind every man is a woman, behind every woman now is my husband.
Oh, wow, look at the lovely words. Thank you so much. Thank you. You know what? It's the strength. Both of you are strength for each other. Good luck. Best wishes. One word for 𝗟𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀. Can you say everybody should be having 𝗟𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 in their life? What do you think?
I think they should have 𝗟𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗀 and have enjoying their life as well.
Yeah?
And if you have 𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃, why wouldn't you want that?
So 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃, 1, 2, 3, hooray!
Hooray!
Thank you. You are the, for more information and details, keep watching Zee89 TV with 𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗀𝗃.